Look at that. First fish fry. The only fish fry. Willie's got his little kitchen set up here. He's got his panko bag. Tongers. Mills down there. And his first nugget is frying on there. I thought I had the fire hot enough. It's taking a little longer than you'd like. Flip that one. Otherwise it's overdone. That's going to need a second on there. Back seat chef. Worst ever.
Want that big Tupperware? Well,
Midday. Cold. But we're all bundled. Feels good. We've had snowflakes. Red squirrel battles. Nate's got wood going crazy over here.
Yeah, we can do that.
And we're wearing our gifts from Nate. Choppers. Best. Take that one off.